Hi, I'm Miss Jennings.
And I'm Miss Keynes.
Welcome to American
Literature.
If you are taking this course, virtually or face-to-face, one of us will be your teacher this semester.
Our classrooms are located at the end of the 600 hall. You can find Miss Jennings across from the water fountains and myself across from the band room.
Now, for a little information about us. This will be Mrs. Keynes' 12th year teaching this course. In addition to teaching American literature, she also teaches honors American literature, and she is the yearbook advisor for Long County High School. She is a proud graduate of LCHS, but she will never tell you what year she graduated.
Miss Jennings grew up outside of Atlanta and attended North Georgia University. She has been a teacher at Long County High School for 8 years. She teaches theater as well as teaching American literature. She is also the coach for one-act play and literary competition.
Some of you will be working with us online, and some of you will be seeing us face-to-face.
No matter how you are receiving your instruction from us, we will always be available to answer questions and provide help.
This course, both virtual and face-to-face, is focused on the study of American literature. During this course, you will read and analyze literary works for content, style, form, diction, and relevance to our time. In addition, composition, research, and public speaking will be integrated into the semester's study.
We will also be working on the development of critical and analytical thinking skills through classroom or virtual discussions and compositions. You will complete several writing assignments during the semester, including analytical essays and persuasive essays.
So what supplies will you need in order to be prepared for class? If you will be in our classrooms, you will need a notebook, paper, blue or black pens, and pencils.
We also recommend grabbing some highlighters. We use these throughout the semester for close reading and marking passages.
If you will be a virtual student in American literature, you will need an electronic device with internet access. Please be sure that the device you use is one that you feel comfortable typing out essays and stories on. You will be receiving more information and help with logging in and using that platform before we get started.
It will probably be a good idea to have a notebook for your virtual class as well. As you work through modules, it will help you to take and keep track of your notes. Notebooks also come in handy when you are working through the writing process. We are so excited to be your teachers this year. Please know that you can always reach out to us if you have any questions or need some extra help.
Remember, the key to success is to not be afraid to make mistakes.
Although Ms. Jennings and I are pretty awesome, mistakes are always our best teachers.
We are so happy you're joining us this semester.
American literature just wouldn't be lit without you.